Mulai.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On behalf of the committee, I would like to express my appreciation to all the participants coming from all over Aceh PD. The participants are commonly very smart, and I believe they are striving for achieve the to be the champ. Mostly the participants presented their speech as if they are reading a poem. But let me recommend for the next time competition should be the students prepare themselves more and more and to learn the technique of speaking. It's not the technique of reading the poems. And commonly the contests are running very well, and I really appreciate, and my appreciation to the teachers, to the committees, to the headmasters, and all of the people having this opportunity. Thank you very much.